if we're having a look at how Dynamic Web works on different mobile devices, this is my website in a preview mode of the browser where I can scale to different browser sizes. So this size is a desktop size, and as you can see, I have my navigation and all my content taking all the place that we have available on our content website. So now I can scale down to a tablet side like an iPad, and you can see now I have not the same amount of space, and we can see how it seamlessly scale. We have the navigation collapsing, so now I'm moving into a more mobile friendly version of the content or the navigation, but my paragraphs are still placed in a normal order. If I scale further down to a phone instead, you can see I scale in, and instead of having my content next to each other, it's now stacked on top of each other, so it's basically scaling to the device that I'm browsing the website with. If we take a look at how we can also react on some of these things in the backend, if I'm going into a piece of content, I have the possibility of saying that this specific piece of content, I don't want to show it on phones, so I can say hide for phones, meaning that this piece of content will not be shown for users browsing my website using a smartphone. I can do the same for tablets and desktops, so in this way I can target my message to different audiences depending on their device. Of course, the text itself would be the same, but I might have different products on my mobile phone store than I would on my other store, or I might want to limit the amount of navigation items that are available on mobile phones, so they don't have to browse as many things. I also have the possibility of hiding the entire page, so it's going away from the navigation if I'm browsing the website from a smartphone.